working in city of Anaheim today. This is the old unit from, I guess, late 70s, early 80s. I think in automotive world this would be like a car with 400,000 miles, maybe 500,000 miles. So it's time to replace it. We are replacing this indoor air handler, which is hydronic air handler in a residential single-story house. This was, I think, high efficiency or renewable energy heating back then, because they used solar water heater on the roof, which was routed together with hot water heater through the water pump. So this was technically gas heating with some solar help. We're going to replace it with heat pump from American Standard, 120 volt variable speed air handler, 3-ton unit. Old air handler is hydronic. We had 2 coils, heating coil with hot water and refrigerant coil, and heating coil is half, 20% clogged, and our refrigerant coil, cooling coil, is 100% clogged. You'll see when I this happened because there was no filter cabinet. Here we can check old coil and new coil. Old coil is approximately 15 years old. Again, it's 100% clogged inside with cat hair. This is the new coil, and that's why you always should have a filter and a filter cabinet. This is the air handler that's going inside the closet. It's actually furnace cabinet, but half of it is hollow. There is no gas valve, no heat exchanger. If we look inside, there's nothing in there. We still have circuit board and blower motor like in a furnace. So American Standard or Train units are very good in retrofitting old systems with gas furnaces with heat pumps, because again, the air handler, it's pretty much furnace cabinet. It's also 120 volt, which gonna connect directly to your outlet, 120 volt outlet. Same setup as a gas furnace. This is our new heat pump condensing unit. It looks exactly the same as air conditioner condenser. The only difference is inside it will have reversing valve that can switch flow of refrigerant. It has a piston in here that moves inside with this solenoid, with this coil. And inside it also has capacitor and contactor. The only difference, it has defrost board. In case if this unit ices up, which is very rare in California, still may happen once or twice a year. And again, if this unit starts icing up, the frost board will switch it into cooling mode, which means that this coil will start heating up and it will defrost all the ice. So we replaced original hydronic air handler with variable speed heat pump air handler. It's air handler from American Standard. It's 120 volts, so we didn't have to run new electrical. We wrapped closet, installed filter box, a water sensor on a drain line, refrigerant filter dryer by the coil inside, capped old water connections. New outdoor unit, which is American Standard 3-ton heat pump. Right now it's working in cool mode. Noise level is 65, 66 decibels. Pretty quiet. It's a single stage unit, new plastic pad. Unit is strapped to the plastic pad. Line set is wrapped inside UV cover all the way